Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to share the tutorial how to edit a Google Sheet spreadsheet on your iPhone. So to edit the document is quite easy and simple. You just need to go open the Google Sheets application on your phone. This one is the symbol of the Google Sheets. If you cannot find the Google Sheet on your screen, you just need to slide the screen into the left side until you go into the app library. In the app library, you just need to click in the search button a Google Sheets. For example, you just need to go click Sheets 2. Okay, and after you find it, you just need to go click it. And now you already have an access to reach the documents that you want to edit. So how to edit the documents? You just need to go click the documents directly to open it, and now this document is ready for your editing. You can add anything on this screen or in this document. For example, I would like to delete this column, so I would like to block it, and after that I want to remove all of these grid lines by go click this and go click this none. And now I already have no lines tables, and I want to change this too. I would like to change the color. Go into this, and now go reset. Okay, but what if to bring back the changes? You just need to go click this symbols to bring all of the changes back. But if you want to go into the end of the result of your editing later, just need to quit. So that's all the way how to edit the documents. After you finish editing the documents, go click this button and go back, and now your document will be saved on your last format or version of your editing. So that's all the way how to edit Google spreadsheet. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.